Welcome back, creators. We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we're in the workshop. In this video, we will be sharing with you our 7 highest rated pliers set. Without a durable, multifunctional, and user-friendly pair of pliers, your toolbox is never complete. Pliers are an essential component of the toolkit and are useful for various jobs and projects around the home and on the construction site. But it might be tough to pick the ideal pair of pliers for your needs due to the abundance of online variations. This is why we have created this review of the 7 best-rated products to walk you through the different sets on the market so you can make the best decision. The team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the pliers sets that will be presented in this video. We have selected our top-rated options for you, making it easier to decide which one to buy today. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. You are welcome to check us out on TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the workshop, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first plier set on our list is the GEARWRENCH Pitbull Mixed Plier Set. The GEARWRENCH Pitbull line of pliers is one of the most advanced ranges of industrial pliers. The Pitbull line offers industrial and automotive technicians the best grip and cuts day in and day out. The unique pieces of this plier set are forged from alloy steel and precision machined for long life and durability. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the GEARWRENCH Pitbull Mixed Plier Set a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: ergonomic design. The rounded edges on the handles make them quite comfortable to hold, and the handles are incredibly compact. Additionally, the grips of this GEARWRENCH Pitbull Plier Set are exceptionally sturdy and comfortable. Automatic adjusting jaws. Squeezing the handle automatically adjusts the jaws for a precise fit. It features a thumb-operated automatic bite lever that has a slim profile for better access in tighter spots. Canine jaw system. The GEARWRENCH Pitbull canine tongue and groove pliers have a jaw design that ensures a stable bite even at a 35-degree offset angle. Its strong angle teeth offer you a firm grasp on the workpiece. Tough metal body. The Pitbull solid joint pliers from GEARWRENCH feature linesmen, long nose, universal, and diagonal pliers. Because of their pivot forward design and laser hardened cutting blades, you can cut with 35% less force. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the pliers are hefty, but they serve their own purposes. The second plier set on our list is the MAXPOWER Water Pump Pliers Set. The MAXPOWER water pump pliers material feels more premium than its price would suggest, and their design is highly stable because of a double guide. The set comprises of 3 pieces of pliers and comes with a carrying bag, which is good for convenient storage and transportation. All in all, these pliers are great to have for an occasional at-home job or an apprentice not needing top-of-the-line tools yet. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the MAXPOWER Water Pump Pliers Set a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: quick adjustment. It has a time-saving push-button adjustment with several adjustment settings and unlimited positions for swiftly locking onto various workpieces. Ergonomic handle. The rubberized grips on the handle make it easier to keep your hands in place. Protecting your fingers with a pinch-proof finger guard is a good way to avoid injury. Multifunctional. The all-purpose jaw is well-suited to round, flat, square, and hex-shaped objects. The jaws are durable and trustworthy with the hardness range of HRC 50 to 58. The self-locking function gives a firm and secure grasp. Highly durable. The pliers feature a double guide made from forged CRV steel with a black phosphate finish for optimal durability. This can withstand a good amount of force without loosening up. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is these pliers have about a quarter few teeth, but it doesn't affect the operation of these pliers. The third plier set on our list is the WORKPRO Pliers Set. The WORKPRO 7-piece set may not look like much, but don't fall for its deceptively run-of-the-mill appearance as it packs a volcanic performance. Out of the box, these pliers come in a transparent electrophoretic coating and are grease-coated to keep them from rusting. The durable construction, rust and corrosion-resistant finish, heat-treated jaws, and ergonomic handles all work in tandem to make short and quick work of gripping, cutting, and bending a wide range of materials. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the WORKPRO Pliers Set a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Heavy duty. The heat-treated and blackened surface of the CRV steel pliers tool set ensures improved hardness, clamping power, toughness, and durability. Additionally, the hardened cutting edges and fine polishing prevent corrosion in this plier set, in addition to making cutting easier. Hard cutting edges. WORKPRO Pliers Set features sharpened cutting edges, allowing them to easily cut through wires and similar materials. Ergonomic design. The pliers' biomaterial handle provides an anti-slip and pleasant grip and a beautiful finish in 3 colors. Multifunction. Every time you need to maintain your house and garden in tip-top shape, with a wide range of uses from plumbing to automobiles to general use, this plier set is versatile. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is these tools are designed for do-it-yourself home maintenance, garden projects, and any other domestic tasks. Consequently, they are intended for light use only. The 4th plier set on our list is the Toolour Jewelry Pliers Set. The Toolour jewelry pliers are made of high-quality carbon steel material, professionally heat-treated, sturdy, and perfect for long-term use. Aside from that, their surfaces are coated with a layer of oil to prevent the pliers from rusting, which can better prolong the service life of the mini pliers set. Their 8-piece durable jewelry pliers set is great for DIY hobbyists, jewelers, and electricians, and is very versatile as it can be used for any task like jewelry making, toy making, and wire cutting. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Toolour Jewelry Pliers Set a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Hardened plier jaw. Its maximum gripping strength is ensured by precision machine jaws perfect for cutting electronic feet, trimming plastic items, electronic industry maintenance, jewelry processing, and many more. Ergonomic design. The comfortable blue silicone grip handle and double leaf spring allow for easy cutting and bending, decreasing hand fatigue and increasing efficiency. Durable wood palette. The mini pliers store well on the included wooden tray, which also helps keep your workplace tidy. Spring-loaded. The pliers are spring-loaded, giving you easy operation. You can reopen it after every use to help you save your hand strength and lessen hand fatigue. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, while very sturdy, the rack does take up significant space, so if your hobby space is tight, you may find yourself skipping it. The 5th plier set on our list is the CRAFTSMAN 6-piece mini plier set. With 6 different pliers, the CRAFTSMAN CMHT81716 plier set comes with practically everything you need. This set also comes with a pouch to hold them all in. It isn't exceptionally high quality, but it is plenty for most users. It gives you somewhere to store them when they aren't in use. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the CRAFTSMAN 6-piece mini plier set a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Ergonomic design. The grips are comfortable and have multiple zones for comfort and control. This may be an excellent option if you're sensitive about the handles. Highly durable. They are made of forged steel for strength and durability, so there is no question that they are really quite strong. Good alignment. The plier allows for good alignment, which gives it outstanding quality. User-friendly. You don't have to open and close the jaws every now and then because the pliers are constantly fully open, which adds up a lot to the convenience. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is these pliers are relatively small, which are perfect for those with smaller hands. The 6th plier set on our list is the INGCO Pliers Set. This plier set allows you to be prepared for every task that can come your way and is available at a great price. Having this 3-plier set on hand allows you to keep working when you need to, ensuring that you don't lose valuable work time. This set comes with 6-inch diagonal pliers, 6-inch needle nose pliers, and 8-inch linemen's pliers. Best of all, they have been engineered to the highest quality to ensure that they will withstand repeated use and will become a staple in your workshop for years to come. The grip on these pliers handles is yellow with a black accent, making them easy to spot in your toolbox. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the INGCO Pliers Set a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Tough metal body. The wire cutter's edges have been twice heat-treated, making them harder, cutting-edge CNC processing, thinner, and 30% less labor-intensive. Highly durable. High-quality CRV steel has been used to make the pliers in this set, which has been heat-treated and induction-hardened to between 55 and 65 HRC, ensuring the tool's durability to withstand extended daily use. Highly portable. INGCO has smaller pliers set, allowing you to work precisely and flexibly in tight spaces. Ergonomic design. These pliers include a TPR handle, which is non-slip and wear-resistant, making them ideal for long-term use. Plus, the clamping jaw is serrated, making it difficult for it to slip and therefore improving safety. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the metal body is vulnerable to rust, but still, it is a great set. The 7th plier set on our list is the Klein Tools Pliers Set. If you're under the impression you've already met the cream of the crop the industry has to offer, think again. Because despite its simplistic, humdrum appearance, the 3-piece Klein Tools Pliers Set packs several instrumental features that make it one of the best sets on the market. The set, in light of its lightweight and compact design, gives you quick and easy access to spots other standards can't reach. Couple that with the ergonomic design and rugged construction, and you have yourself a cost-effective plier set ideal for a plethora of domestic and commercial applications. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Klein Tools Pliers Set a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: extended handles. Klein Tools Pliers Set comes with extended grips that give you more leverage and reach. Induction-hardened knives. This plier set has a heavier design that gives greater cutting power. Hot riveted joint. A hot riveted joint guarantees smooth operation and eliminates handle wobble. High leverage. Compared to the other plier designs, this one's high leverage design places the rivet closer to the cutting edge, resulting in an additional 36 to 46% in cutting and gripping power. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is these tools are a bit slim and small, so they might seem to slip around if you have big hands. And there you have it, folks, our 7 highest rated plier sets, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next pliers set roundup which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comment section below and we will be sure to assess them for our next update. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our workshops great. We'll look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.